Head to the coast where chaos erupted at Mombasa County Commissioner's boardroom after a victim of Owino Uhuru-led poison and Center for Justice, Governance and Environmental Action stormed a meeting called by NEMA to discuss matters of compensation as directed by the Supreme Court. Now, according to the two, the meeting was illegal, maintaining that the 3 months period given by the court to clean up the area had already lapsed. Tobias Chanji has more details.
The
meeting had been called by the National Environmental Management Authority (NEMA) and was to include major stakeholders such as the victims, Center for Justice, Governance and Environmental Action that sued NEMA, and the government, County Government of Mombasa, Ministries of Lands and Water, companies involved with lead poison, among others. In December last year, the Supreme Court had awarded the victims 2 billion shillings, where 1.3 billion was compensation, while 700 million to clean the area. Just halfway the meeting on Wednesday, chaos erupted as Center for Justice, Governance and Environmental Action and one of the victims stormed the meeting, saying it was illegal. According to Director Phyllis Omido, the Supreme Court, in its verdict, had decreed that Section 174 allows NEMA to clean up the Owino Uhuru community within 3 months, something that has already lapsed, and that the meeting was in contempt.
Environment and Land Court asked NEMA to clean up Owino Uhuru within 4 months, that is in 2020. They failed to do it. The Court of Appeal gave them 1 year to clean up. They refused. We have talked to government to release money to mobilize cleanup of Owino Uhuru. They were told if they have not done anything within 3 months, they must relinquish that.
Kitu chenye mimi kinaniuma ni nimeenda na wewe kotini, nimekushinda, umesimama kidete, umeenda Court of Appeal, umeng'ang'ana, tumeenda na wewe mpaka Supreme. Leo hii urudi wewe ni mzuri, utakuwa mzuri wa nini kwangu?
The case had been in court since 2016 until December last year, when the Supreme Court issued its verdict. About 400 people reportedly lost their lives since 2009.
Nikawambia it's illegal. I cannot do something against what the court has ruled. The Supreme Court did not ask them to mobilize people. The Supreme Court told them if 3 months imeisha, since 6th December, which was the judgment day, their day ended March 6th. If they have not said what they have done for the community, they should pay. That's what the court said. So which meetings are we attending? It's an illegal meeting. I'm going to arrest every one of them. Every one of them. It doesn't matter what title they're holding.
The meeting ended prematurely, but according to NEMA, they'll have to ascertain the extent of the poison first before taking any action.
The first phase is to do the assessment to determine the pollutant levels, the extent where this pollution is, and advise on the pollution remediation that kicks on in the next phase.
Tobias Chanji, KTN, Mombasa County.
Thika High Court has stopped the construction of Ngoliba Market, a project controversially launched